Why we bought Alibaba and Etsy. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about two big companies that I think have a lot of potential in the time to come. One of them, Alibaba, ticker symbol BAVA, and the second is Etsy, ticker symbol ETSY. Both of these companies have something very similar, and I'm going to go through that right now. But I want to point something out that I've been noticing in the market, okay guys? And I think it's very interesting that this is happening. If you have noticed that there are a lot of companies that are undervalued at this time, and they're very good companies, I think we've been hit right now with a lot of trash companies out there that are just popping up left and right. Now, to me, they could be trash companies, but to you, they'd probably be your number one company. It's just, everybody's different. But I've noticed that there's a lot of companies such as AHT, such as Wish, just a lot of companies that are making money. And don't get me wrong, guys, I too get into those companies because I do a lot of swing trading. I love to ride the momentum. And the most important thing is that I love to ride the flow. So whenever I see flow going into a play or going into a stock, I like to make money. I'll just scalp it. I'll get in, get out, okay? Buy it low, sell it high, and get out. Those are not going to be companies that I'm going to be keeping, but they are very good companies to make a quick buck on, okay? But what at the end of the day with the stock market, now remember guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion of what I think, what I'm doing in the stock market. At the end of the day, you do want to collect very good companies with good fundamentals, and you know, companies are going to be growing in 10, 20 years from now. That can be $100 now, but can be $1,000 later on, guys. That's the main focus of this. That's what's going to get you rich, not the quick and easy just get in and out play. That's not going to get you rich. It'll make you good money, but it's not going to give you the long-term wealth that we're looking for, okay? And that's why I chose Alibaba and Etsy as two very good companies that I think are going to exist for a long time to come. Good fundamentals, growing companies, and I mean, I'm going to get started with Alibaba, go into Etsy, but both of them are great companies. And there's plenty of companies out there that are still undervalued, in my opinion, that have been shot down a lot, and that are going to eventually come back to their norm, okay? But if you have an opportunity right now, make sure you're doing your research, make sure you're jumping into those good solid plays that are going to hold you down for the months and years to come, okay? So we're going to get started with Alibaba, and one of the main reasons that I decided on getting into Alibaba, we bought 100 shares, was because Alibaba has been shot down a lot, and a lot has to do with it, with the whole China situation in the US. And there is no, you know, there is no saying that it can't go lower, because I've seen Alibaba lower than this price that we jumped in on. I just think that over time it's going to grow substantially, and it's going to be a very good stock to hold in your portfolio. Now, if you go back not too long, just in October of last year, October, November, Alibaba was trading at $317, guys, $317. Since then, it's had turmoil. Relation with China has not helped at all, but since then it's ran down all the way to where we sit at now. And just last week we picked up 100 shares. Our average on this is $213. Currently trading at $215. I think we got a pretty good deal on it. I like the stock, I like the fundamentals, I like their growth. They're all over the place in Asia. You can compare this company to Amazon of the US. Some even say that if this was a US company, it'd be worth a lot more than Amazon, but everybody's opinions differ, okay? Second company that I wanted to get into, and that I thought was a very good opportunity right now to get into, was Etsy, guys. Etsy has become very popular in the social media world with what they do and what they offer, the services that they offer. Currently trading at $179. Etsy, guys, was a stock that, if I look at the 1 year chart on Etsy, Etsy was trading not too long ago, back in March, was trading at about $244, guys. That was pretty much the high of it. $244 back in March, and currently is trading at 179. We picked up about 100 shares at $166. Within days, it's already up over $1,000. But within days, guys. So, not to say that Etsy can go any lower, but I thought that at that point, it doubled bottom right around that area. I thought that point was a good time to jump in on this stock. Once again, people are playing all these other plays like Clover Health, like AHT, like IVR. All these other plays are going to come and go, but you're looking for those companies that are going to hold it down in the long run, guys. Etsy is a great company. It's going to continue to grow, and I can envision Etsy being easily, guys, a $300 company, not too far distant from now. I think it's going to continue to grow. It's already grown substantially, and with certain acquisitions it's been doing as of late, I think it's a company that's on the move. I think it's going to continue to grow. Women love to be on Etsy. They like to, get ideas and stuff like that, and buy, little things, detailed ornaments, whatever it is, guys. Women love that stuff. My wife is on there all the time. Women love this stuff. So it's only going to continue to grow. With that, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. I was just letting you know, giving you an idea of what I see that's going on in the market. Remember, buy good companies that you're going to go hold in the long run. All the other stuff, if you want to day trade, if you want to swing trade, you can buy stuff, get in and out of. It doesn't really, the company doesn't really matter too much, because you're riding a lot on momentum. For myself, I ride off of momentum and I ride off of flow. If I see action going into it, it's giving me an idea. It's telling me that the price of that stock might continue to go upwards. With that, guys, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, very important, if you guys are not following us on Twitter, make sure you do, because we give out plays on there. We tell you guys exactly what we're doing on there. All this stuff has been mentioned before. I said I was getting into Etsy. I said I was getting into Baba. I said I've been getting into all kinds of different plays. And if you look back on there, you'll get a better idea of when I get in, when I get out, and then that way you can be informed as well. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.